Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix blur iPhone camera. So to fix with blur iPhone camera, here's a step-to-step guide on how you can simply fix that. So the first thing you have to do is to clean the lens. So wipe the camera lens with a soft lint free cloth just to clear the lens and have a better vision of the camera. Then also you can simply restart your phone. A quick restart can fix a temporary glitch. You can also remove case or screen protector just to get a better clear camera. Then also you can tap on the focus mode to tap the screen to manually focus on your subject that you want to focus on from the camera. And also you can simply check for update. Go to the settings. So from the settings, click on general. From general, click on software update and install any available update to your phone. If any of this doesn't work, you can also go to the settings, click on general, then click on transfer or reset iPhone, then reset your iPhone or settings. So for you to be able to do that, go to general, open your settings. From settings, go to general. From there, click on reset iPhone, then click on reset all settings. So this will restore and put your iPhone camera back to default. I can also use the tested third-party app to try and fix your camera issue. So you can also check for hardware issue. If none of this work, then visit the Apple Store or any authorized repair center just to fix your camera. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.